COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is a popular Korean skincare product that contains 96% snail mucin extract, a powerful ingredient that offers numerous benefits to the skin. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of this essence, how to use it properly, and what to do and not to do when using this product. If you're new here, we post skin education and skincare reviews on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. So what is snail mucin extract and how does it benefit the skin? This extract is a natural ingredient that is rich in nutrients and has been found to offer numerous benefits to the skin. It contains a powerful combination of glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and antioxidants that can help hydrate, soothe, and repair the skin. Some of the benefits of snail mucin extract include improved skin hydration. Snail mucin extract has the ability to retain water and keep the skin hydrated, making it an excellent ingredient for dry and dehydrated skin types. It also helps with reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this extract can help reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation in the skin. Improved skin texture. This extract can help improve skin texture by smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles and reduce the appearance of acne scars and hyperpigmentation. And finally, increased skin elasticity. The high concentration of hyaluronic acid in this extract can help improve skin elasticity and firmness. So how do you use the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence? Using this essence is easy and can be incorporated into your daily skincare routine. You want to start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Follow up with your toner, which is optional, and then you want to take a small amount of the essence onto your fingertips and gently pat this into your skin. Follow with your water-based serums, including your oils straight after, and followed by your moisturizer. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using this essence. Do a patch test before using it on your face to make sure you're not allergic to any of the ingredients. Do use sunscreen during the day when using this essence, as it can increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Now, don't use too much product at once. A little goes a long way with this essence, so start with a small amount and add more if needed. And don't use this essence on broken skin or any areas that are currently experiencing irritation or inflammation. The COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is an excellent skincare product that offers numerous benefits to the skin. By incorporating this essence into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more hydrated, youthful, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about the ingredients that hydrate the skin, then check out these two videos here next.